Hello friends.
One way.
It's spring break. So this video is all about what we did in the beginning of the spring break. Hope you like it. Stay tuned.
It's a lot of it's a lot of fun classes.
This is a very big line. I don't know whether you guys can see it, but it's right across the street. And then once I cross the street, I will be getting into the school. This will be an eventful Friday because we kick off our spring break tonight and we are going to have lots of fun. So we are heading to Neil's school. I'm going to show you his school. Neil is in 9th grade, as most of you know. He is in high school and Neil's school is like 2 miles from our place. We just passed. We are on the same road actually where I was few minutes, not few minutes, but an hour back to pick Kia. And Neil is actually doing theater, not the acting part, but behind the scenes. So they call it as tech theater. So he kind of is into production and he's still learning, obviously. So that's something which he has picked up this year. He's also doing robotics, so he is doing some level of coding like his mom, and maybe that's what he's going to pursue. He is getting interest in computer science, in overall technology and all those stuff, like again his mom. So let's see how it goes with him. Here it's a little different than our education back in India, because 9th and 10th was 10th is a board exam back in India, so it was very crucial for the kid to just focus. But here, as soon as the kid is in the 9th or the 10th grade, he or she gets exposed to many other factors of practical life than just studies, right? So for example, driving, for example, job. Both of it is a tick for Neil, so I am very glad that Neil is able to cope up, and also extra activities, extra the new stuff like theater, whether it is robotics or some other stuff. So besides the regular subject like math, English, so that's his school. And I'm going to pick him up. It's huge. There are 2 buildings. This is the 9th grade campus, and I'm going to show you. And then the other side of the building is 10th, 11th and 12th. So 3 grades. So that's Neil. That's the 9th grade campus. That's the school. And oops. Hi Neil.
Hello.
How was your day?
Good. Hello.
Neil, can you tell something? Just talk about your classes, what you're doing. Speak about tech theater, because I was not able to explain. So just speak for 5 more minutes to explain what you are doing, your classes, and how things are in the 9th grade.
So mostly that I enjoy 9th grade a lot. It's a lot of fun classes. Yeah, it's a mix of electives and your core classes, of course. The core classes I'm taking is just normal classes like math, ELA, and history, stuff like that. Just basic normal classes. But about tech theater. So tech theater is just you learn about theater. So you learn about stage. You learn about stuff like lighting, and then you have to make a project about one play that you watched over the 9 weeks. So yeah, that's fun.
And robotics?
Robotics, I enjoy robotics a lot. What we do is like we make models of stuff online. So stuff like today we made a spark plug, the thing that like you do in a car that ignites your fuel.
Wow.
So we did that, and then yesterday we made a gear. We learned how to make a gear and stuff like that.
But robotics mein coding bhi hai na? Nahi?
Not right now. So right now we're just doing CADing. So CADing is just
AutoCAD.
Yeah, it's you just design stuff. Yeah, it's kind of
But coding kabhi to hoga, right?
Possibly.
That will be awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it then. Then next year, what do you want to pursue, or you already have selected?
So I selected architecture. I want to try architecture. Maybe that's my thing. Maybe it's not. It's the only one way to find out, right? So yeah, I'm gonna try that out. And I'm also doing some of my classes that I really liked this year will actually give you a credit, like a physical education credit. So I'm gonna take that class again because it was really fun. I enjoyed that class a lot, and
Which
it gave
one?
me a credit. Outdoor trails.
Outdoor trails.
I can put some of those.
Put it. This is yours. The spoon goes inside, Babu.
Where is the cheese custard? It's on the. Nice. What else is on the street?
Guess so.
Because it's Mexican cheese, doesn't it? It's queso.
क्या
And
बोलते
some chicken
हो?
and some protein.
Yes, protein, please. So right after we came back from Neil's school, Kian and Neil, they are having their late lunch. It's taco, which Kian loves. After this, we are going to head to Kian's school. It's his open house, and you will get to see his classroom, maybe his teacher, and some of his stuffs that he has done and waiting to show us.
You want to see this thing? Do you see this? We have this.
It's dominoes. Oh, those are dominoes.
We play that.
You play domino? That's your favorite?
You what? Oh, you caught Miss Kato yawning. I think I woke up too early this morning.
Yeah, him as well. He was up at 5 because of cough,
Oh.
and then when is this going to end? The cycle of cough, cold, infection, antibiotics.
Oh, he did. He went to pre-K last year, right?
He did.
Did he get sick a lot in
Yeah.
pre-K? Yeah.
The same. I think
Yeah.
most likely the next year.
Yeah.
And he's also 5, right? So it's taking a little bit of
Yes.
toll.
Yes.
But how is he doing overall?
He's doing great.
Yeah,
Yeah, he really
and he's able to cope up with all the absent.
is. Yeah.
And-
yeah, that's not affecting
no?
him. No.
Okay.
He's doing a really good job. He catches up very quickly, so he knows what he's doing.
What did it say?
He loves school. I can say that. He loves you. I mean, anything that I have to buy for myself, he has to tell me, can I get one for Miss Kato? Anything that I get, he knows it's for girls, like for me. So your gift, starting from your gift, everything has to be his choice. And so that involved, and that much he loves the class and you. And right now his favorite is Garrison, is always his favorite.
Oh, yeah,
And then
Titus.
Titus,
He loves
yeah.
Uh-huh.
I think my mom always says it Titus.
I don't know.
How is it pronounced?
Titus?
Titus, yeah.
Yeah, that's right. How do you say it?
Titus.
Titus, yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we said, right? Yes.
Okay.
Oh, I have these.
You have those?
Are they twins?
Yeah, they are twins.
Is that, what is this for? For his birthday? Selling cakes. Oh, that's what they meant. But you know what? You and your brother and your mom and
Do you want to see the bears?
Is this your flag?
Yes.
Wow.
And this is the Liberty Bell. And this ain't so the Liberty Bell on the wall.
Oh, so the Liberty Bell got the most.
I needed one more to go to get 8.
Okay.
And the White House. Do you know why nobody picked it?
Why?
Because it is so big.
And I see Statue of Liberty. See, Kian, you have puzzles in your class. So many puzzles. Is that what you do? And then you have animals?
We used to do this when we are. No.
Okay, where's that?
The body, and this is what we did for our hand. We traced our hand.
And what did we trace for the body? We
body,
used our
toes.
toes, our feet, right?
Right.
Yeah. And look, his beak opens and closes.
You know that it is a bird and it's big and I forgot.
It feels so good to see your kids growing and enjoying their school. Okay, so we will go home now, and then I have to take Coco for a walk, and then it's time to wind off and begin the spring break, guys. I'm just trying some tricks that I can self-record, although obviously I am self-recording, but I usually use my front camera, but just trying something new. That's us walking by. Guess what? The reason for my second walk today is because I cannot go to the gym as they don't have kids club on Fridays, so I cannot take Kian with me, hence no gym. But I just decided to quickly brisk walk with Coco, rather than just doing nothing and sitting in the house. Why are you sitting in the house? Why don't you cook? Hey, we cook every single day, but today for the dinner we don't have to cook because I am going to order biryani. Okay, so garma garam hot mutton biryani is here. It's a break for me and I. We did not cook anything, just made some beetroot raita, and we are going to relish our dinner. And with that, we'll be just finishing the dinner, going and watching a movie. We plan to watch Hangover 3. It's been long due. And then our weekend will kick off. And this is a special weekend and week because it's spring break. So I plan to ensure to do something every single day so the kids will remember, especially Kian. And you'll get to see it in this vlog. Good morning, everyone. So woke up and got to see it's a cloudy day, although the weather forecast didn't have anything as such rain or cloud. But anyways, nothing is going to stop us to have fun. We are right now in a Murrell Park, and they have a beautiful trail where we are going to walk and spend this morning in the outdoors. That's why we can see it. Come, Kian.
Tiny things here. There's some tiny things here. Let's go.
Keep walking and talking.
So there, I just saw they scraped the tree. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
It just kind of scraped it.
Yeah.
Right, Mama?
Right. The barks are out.
What is bark?
Bark means these are all bark of trees, see? Which protects the tree. But they also dry off when they get old.
How long do they take to become?
Yeah. Kian, look, it's so pretty.
I see the bees. All the way there. I just see the bees where we started. I see where we started.
So this might not take us to the road. It will go all the way. It might not take us to a road. It will go all the way.
Yeah, Kian, it's adventure walk. You want to have adventure, you have to hold Ajji's hand.
Even
Ajji's hand. Huh?
I think there is going to be a snake. I think there is going to be a snake.
There is going to be a snake. Saturday morning, had very good breakfast and decided to just do a quick trail walk and have some little adventure in the outdoors. So we are close to the lake. Come closer. Oh, beautiful flowers. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we are almost done. I can see the car. So, okay, what do you think, Aji? How was the walk? Good? मजा मजा आ गया कियान को मजा आया वॉक कियान को मजा आया वॉक में
Yes.
कितना मजा आया
So much.
much
And let's see if we can win this.
मम्मा को भी बहुत मजा आया and we are now done with our walk, very satisfying, and we will now plan for the rest of the day. So we were really hungry, but the lake and the water we just couldn't control. So after the walk, we thought of just chilling around the water for a few minutes, just relax, and then go straight home. Lunch, the kids can play in the water very soon, the spring and the summer. So it's really fun, and this lake has a lot of visitors coming in over summer because you can just cool yourself off in the water. Let me know how you like it, and do go visit the description section so you can see my most 5 favorite